Hello ladies, I'm here to show you how to make the wave of the paper on card number 3 for the little street. What is it called again? Sorry. The Maya Design Little Street Cafe. There we go. And I'm going to show you how to do it on this piece of paper here. Now what you'll need is a pencil. I'm using a pen. Hoping that you can see it on this dark green. You'll need a bigger pair of scissors because you'll get a better cut than if you use a small pair of scissors. And you will also need something that is between 7 and 8 inches in diameter. I'm using this Tupperware bowl and this is just a little it's about 7 5/8 inch in diameter. So somewhere between 7 and 8 inches, okay? You don't want something that is the same size, like 6 inches as this, because then the wave it'll change the way the outcome of the card. So what you're going to do first, excuse me, is you are going to just make a little dot. I'm going to use my mat here, and sorry if this goes out of frame a bit. And since this paper is 6 by 6, I want to make just a little dot on the edge at 3 inches. Okay, and I'm going to offset the circle, whatever item you're using for your circle. A plate would be really nice if you have you know, a lunch plate or a sandwich plate or something like that. But mine have a sort of a scalloped edge to them, so I can't use them. Anyway, so what you're going to do is you're going to line up your wave, or your what should I call this? Because everyone's going to be using something different. Okay, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to call this my bowl, okay? So I'm going to line up the bowl so that it is right at that 3-inch dot that I made, okay? Excuse me, I woke up with a little bit of a hoarse voice this morning, and I don't know why. So I'm going to, now of course when you do this at home with your pencil, you're going to do it lightly because there's going to be a little bit of erasing involved. Like I say, I'm just using a pen in hopes that you can see. Okay, so you're going to go just a little past, like about 1/2 inch past that dot on this side. And then you have that line like so. Then you're going to take your my bowl, whatever you're using, and you are going to place it so that you're going to be able to make a curve in another direction, but you want to have it centered in the bowl because you don't want it to go back up too much again. So you're going to try and center it. It doesn't have to be perfectly centered, and it's just going to touch a part of the line here, but not necessarily the very end of I have about 1/8 of an inch, I guess, from the very end of the line, and where it touches, I'm just going to curve it this way. So you can see, hopefully, how I made that curve. All right, and then you're going to take your scissors. See, if you're using a pencil, you'll be erasing this line here. So then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to just follow this line like so. Oops, I went off a little bit. I'm hurrying too much. And then on the card, you're going to flip it to the other side like so. Okay, so that's how I did it. I did not use a die for this. Not everybody has a die. I had one, but it didn't line up properly, and so I thought, okay, there's got to be another way, and this is what I came up with. And so you ladies, if you don't have any of those nice curvy borderline types of dies, this is one way that you can do it on your own without them. And you can use varying sizes of diameter of, like you can use a margarine lid, a yogurt lid, different sizes of lids, or bowls and dishes, and so on and so forth, and you would come up with a different look. So that's it. So I hope that you're going to have fun with this card number 3. I called it the wave because of the wave. So it was nice talking to you ladies, and I am working on this card set now. So have lots of fun, and talk to you again soon. Bye for now.